Welcome to Ignite Wheels. The BMW R20 comes with a bold muscular stance, wide fuel tank, exposed metal frame, and a clean retro-modern look. This bike looks expensive even when standing still. It's built for riders who want attention and authority on the road. Engine and power. At the heart of the R20 is BMW's legendary Boxer engine. High torque, smooth delivery, and raw mechanical feel. This bike is not about racing, it's about power you can feel every second you ride. Tech and features. The 2026 R20 is packed with modern technology. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, advanced braking system, and premium suspension. BMW blends old-school soul with modern intelligence perfectly here. Price and buyer intent. Expected price of the 2026 BMW R20 puts it in the premium category. This is not a budget bike. You're paying for design, brand value, and long-term ownership quality. It's a machine for serious riders. Conclusion plus CTA. So, is the BMW R20 worth buying in 2026? If you want raw character, premium feel, and iconic BMW engineering, absolutely yes. Subscribe to Ignite Wheels for more upcoming bike reviews and price breakdowns.